Now, with those questions that are being raised even by the BJP, we are looking at already an impact that seems to be happening over our coverage as we are showing jailed actor Darshan's picture that has gone viral while being behind bars, as Mr. Parmeshwar has to say, because they say they will be acting on the erring officials as far as the minister concerned, saying that they will ensure that such incidents do not repeat.
Yesterday evening, as early as possible, we went there. The police departmental people, senior people went there, investigated. They found, preliminarily, they have found about 7 people who were involved. So immediately they were kept under suspension. If there is, the further investigation is going on. If there is an involvement of senior officers, we will take action, on them also. We'll keep them under suspension also.
Right, Deepak, that's the take as far as the minister concerned, saying that we will take action if people are found to be behind this or are responsible for giving such VVIP treatment to a murder accused in jail.
Well, for sure, at this point in time, investigation has been ordered. You're looking at suspension, but is this enough to correct what has been happening at the Paratap Nagarjuna prison? Because time and again, especially when it comes to Indian prisons, it has been infamous for, VIP treatment or the rampant use of money, to buy services inside the prison, such as drugs, such as liquor, such as food. So is this something that can be controlled? The Home Minister, of course, they're assuring that in the future this will not happen again. But what are the steps that they're going to be taking to ensure that does not happen again, bring in some sort of a transparency? These are questions that still remain unanswered.
Well, that's the point there, exactly, to ensure that such incidents do not repeat. However, the minister giving an assurance saying that they have placed certain officials under suspension, and if there are senior officials who are found to be involved, they too will be facing the similar action. For the moment, thank you very much, Deepak, for joining in. You're watching Times Now. We will be back after a short break.